over there. So the name of the fourth guest is Ruhi Chaturvedi. She's the second female guest of my show. She's a supermodel turned movie actress. She has been modeling since last 8 years and she has done a lot of ramp campaign shoots and photo shoots for a lot of legendary designers and brands. If I start taking the names, the list will just go on and on. She's also considered as one of the supermodels of our country. She started her acting career in 2012 and debuted in the Bollywood movie Alap opposite Amit Purohit, Pitobash Tripathi and Rituparna Sen Gupta. Then she did Pagdi opposite Shravan Sagar, directed by Nishant Bhardwaj, which is yet to be released. And now the Rajasthani movie that she did is called Kangana, and the censors have considered it to be the biggest hit of Rajasthan film industry up till now. Ruhi has also been the finalist of Miss India Worldwide 2010. Wow. Come on, let's interview her. Wait. Before interviewing her, let's just watch 2 songs of her. That is the short clippings of the 2 songs that I liked the most from the movie Kangana. Let's watch that first.
आज बरस जा रे बादल, आज बरस जा रे, आज बरस जा रे बादल, आज बरस जा रे। तन घड़ी घड़ी में बोलूं, घूंघट गोरी रो खोलूं। तन घड़ी घड़ी में बोलूं, घूंघट गोरी रो खोलूं। ढलती जावे क्यों तुम माता सू बिलमावे है, दूर धासू अब तो मासू रहो नहीं जावे है। अब नहीं गोरी मारे बस हुई है बात, अब नहीं गोरी मारे बस हुई है बात।
अरे यहाँ पे तो कोई नहीं है। ऐसा हो सकता है क्या कि कोई गेस्ट ना हो? नहीं ना। तो उनको बुलाने से पहले यहाँ पे जो आके बैठने वाली है मेरे सामने, वो मिस इंडिया फाइनलिस्ट रह चुकी है 2010 में वर्ल्ड वाइड। शी इज अ टॉप मोस्ट एक्ट्रेस ऑफ राजस्थान फिल्म इंडस्ट्री एंड शी इज वन ऑफ आवर सुपर मॉडल्स ऑफ आवर कंट्री। तो लेट्स वेलकम रूही चतुर्वेदी।
Hello.
Hi Ruhi.
Hi.
How are you?
I'm good. How are you?
Very well. So कल friendship day था तो I need to tie you this. Belated happy friendship day.
Same to you.
Okay, so firstly I'd like to say I have fallen in love with you only after watching in Tara Chai Raat and the Badal Barse the song. Two songs, yeah. So I want to know why did you go for Rajasthani movies only?
See, I've been randomly asked this question. Why? Why not? Someone needed to start it somewhere or the other. It was me. Maybe it might be a new turning point from Rajasthani movies. People when they started Tamil, Telugu, they could never think that it would make such a big industry. So this is it. I think this is a perfect time.
Okay, nice. How comfortable were you shooting raunchy and sensuous scenes with your co-star Om?
Well, it was raunchy.
In the song Tara Chai Raat, so raunchy.
But see, the best part about my co-star is that we've been friends for 11 years. So the comfort level was always there. And maybe I was a little bit on a shyer side, but then he just made me very comfortable. That's the best part about it.
Oh.
Yeah.
In Kangna, you did 6-7 songs. So how difficult was it for you to give lip sync and to by heart all the dialogues of the movie?
It was not difficult because basically I am a Marwari. So my roots are from Rajasthan.
Okay.
That's a different thing. I'm born here, so it got a little stuck up here or there. But then it was quite easy.
Okay. How is Madhuri Dixit related to you being an actress?
Before being an actress, she's like more of a family because we used to stay in the same building, and practically I've grown up at her place. I've been on set of Dil Began song we were shooting with Khambe Jaisi Khadi Hai. So I've been on that set, and I still remember Amir Khan, fooling around with me as a kid and troubling me, and then I call her Madhuri. So she actually used to take care of me like her own child. That's how.
Okay. Now it's time for the question answer round. You just have to answer 3 or more than 3 questions correctly or pass. Okay. First, politics. Who amongst the following is a political leader of India? Shubhomita Banerjee, Debolina Banerjee, Mamta Banerjee, Charulata Banerjee.
Mamta Banerjee.
Correct. Second, food. Which of these sweet dish is very popular in Rajasthan? Modak, Rajbhog, Balushahi, Mango Shrikhand. It's very easy. I'll repeat the options again.
Yeah.
Modak, Rajbhog, Balushahi, Mango Shrikhand.
I think Rajbhog.
Wrong, it's Balushahi. So you
I
lost one.
eaten it. What is it?
It's I don't know. It's a donut kind of a thing that it appears donut.
See, that shows I don't eat sweets.
Okay, third is based on Bollywood. Choose one amongst the following females who won Miss India World and then did a Bollywood movie. Zoya Afros, Rochelle Maria Rao, Sarah Lauren, Navneet Kaur Dhillon. Miss India World, not Miss India International.
Oh. So it was Zoya and
Zoya, Rochelle, Sarah, Navneet.
Sarah.
Wrong. It's Navneet Kaur Dhillon.
What?
Yeah, she just did Lakshuta with Girish.
I forgot.
Okay, no problem. You have 2 questions left to pass the round. Fourth is based on geography.
Oh God.
The town, which is a pilgrim place and an adventure place at the same time. Bharuch, Varanasi, Pushkar, Rishikesh.
Rishikesh.
Correct. So you get 2 right, 2 wrong. So this will decide if you pass the round or not. It's based on fashion. You might be knowing.
Oh God.
Why do celebs use Botox injections? To make the skin pink, to remove the tan, to get rid of wrinkles, or to increase lip size? You might be knowing the fashion industry, right?
No, see, not everyone in fashion is in. Let me just get it straight. Not everyone in fashion uses Botox.
Yeah,
It's
I know that.
only mostly who use it. We are naturally born like this. We work out. So it's basically to remove wrinkles.
Correct. So you pass the round. Okay, now it's time for the yes and no round. Did you ever bitch about any model or actor that you worked with?
Yes.
Have you ever been molested?
No.
Did you ever had a serious cat fight? It can be verbal or physical or both.
No.
Have you ever been so drunk that you fell asleep there and there?
No.
Not at all? Not in your freshers party or in college? Never.
Never. I have to go back to my house and then home.
Okay. Have you ever felt suicidal or depressed in your life?
Never. Why? I really want to know this thing when people commit suicide. Why do you do that? You have your family, you have friends, you have actually healers who can help you.
Yeah.
Don't do just
Still do
stupidity.
suicide.
Talk to people.
Yeah, right. Were you ever turned on while shooting a romantic scene?
No.
No, not at all.
No.
Okay, good girl. Okay, now it's time for the rapid fire round. Modeling or acting?
Acting.
Name one Bollywood actor you'd want to work with.
Everyone.
Everyone. There's no specific Bollywood actor that you
No,
want to
see,
work with?
everyone has a different style, acting skill. There are different things I want to be on. And right now, I'm not a stage where I can choose or say, this is the guy I want to work with. I want to work with everyone.
Yeah.
So, I learn things from them.
Oh, nice. Kill, marry, hook up. Krishna Chaturvedi, Om Sainyol, Milind Soman.
Kill, marry, hook up. Oh God, no.
I'll repeat the options. Okay, Krishna Chaturvedi, Om Sainyol, Milind Soman.
But why would I want to kill any of them?
Are just kill because it's mentioned? Yeah, everyone does it. Karan Johar ke show mein bhi they do it.
No.
Coffee with Karan, mein Kareena and all they do it.
They're Kareena and all. No, I'm not Kareena.
No, but you are quite popular, yeah.
Yeah, but still.
Just choose randomly. No one will feel bad.
Okay, just because he wants me to. Otherwise, I would never do that. So I would kill Krishna because I'm too bored of him watching.
Okay.
And hook up.
Okay. Milind Soman. Yeah.
So hard.
And marry Om Sainyol. Your co-star.
Because I know him pretty well. But I don't know. I might just switch on. It depends.
Put in order the following movie. Dil Ji Bachcha To Hai.
Dil to bachcha hai.
Correct. A relationship you were in but regretted later and hence broke up.
You want me to say that?
Yes or no?
Yeah.
Can you just share your experience
No.
or no?
No.
Okay. Suggest alternative career options for the following people. Lisa Hayden.
Yoga guru.
Nice. Ruhi Singh.
I don't know. I think Katrina.
Rakhi Sawant.
Can she just be at home and not be any option? Or any career? Just
press
be,
conference. Nothing.
yeah, nothing. No Jesus happening.
Poonam Pandey.
Katrina. So she can just stitch her own clothes and wear.
Sonakshi Sinha.
She's a beautiful actress. I love her. I don't think she should be. An
She should be actress. No housewife, nothing
No,
like
no,
that.
no.
Okay. At gunpoint, if you were forced to have an encounter,
Huh.
no gay encounter, then who would that guy be from the following? Arunodaya Singh, Imran Hashmi, Abhishek Bachchan.
Abhishek Bachchan.
Abhishek
I
Bachchan.
think it's too hot.
Oh. Rate the following clothing brands out of 10. Okay. Forever 21.
4.
UCB. 6. Zara.
In India,
Yeah.
7.
Veromoda.
7.
And
9.
only.
5.
Okay, so we are done with the rapid fire round. Now it's time for the last round, that is the game round. So the game's name is, it's a very Rajasthani name that I found out. Sikko Ghumio Kismat Palatio. Okay, so I have this coin over here. So I'll be tossing a coin once. Whoever loses will have to give 3 compliments to the winner. And then propose the winner for marriage or a date holding hands, but the catch is in a weird way. Cool?
Okay.
Heads or tail?
Just flip, then I'll say
No, you can't say like that.
No, it's in
Oh,
the
acha,
air.
theek hai. Cool.
heads.
You won. So I need to do all of that. Firstly, I like the way you walk. I really like it. I like your eyes a lot. And you're a very good soul. You have a good heart.
Oh, thanks.
So the 3 compliments are done. I really mean it. It's not sarcastic at all. So, okay. रूही, मैं बहुत पसंद करता हूँ तुम्हें. प्लीज मुझसे शादी कर दो ना. Please करो ना. Please. So we are done with the game round as well. Now it's time for the Cadbury.
Oh, great Cadbury's.
Yeah. So this is just a token of appreciation from my
Thank
side.
you.
Thanks a
So
lot for
sweet.
being a part of my show.
My pleasure.
I'll hope that you get a big budget Bollywood movie soon.
Yes.
Yes. Come on, that's the spirit. Okay, thanks a lot.
Thanks a lot for having me here.
I hope you guys liked the 4th episode of Coffee Table as well. If you liked it, please hit the like button and please subscribe to my channel. I'll be back with yet another celebrity next week. Till then, take care of yourselves and bye-bye.